What do our real estate school websites that you're searching, except this one, have in common? None of them are offering to teach you what you really need to know, which is how to use your license once you get it. You don't believe me? See if you can find one. When you're done looking at all the cheap real estate classes that guarantee you nothing, come back and I'll tell you how to get rich in real estate and have a life. See you soon. Okay, welcome back. Did you find any schools that offered to teach you how to actually use your license to make money? Why else would you get one? Of course we want to be of service. Of course we want to help others make their dreams come true. And of course we want to do well by doing good. And we also want to be well paid, right? Right. So with one simple decision, you can have everything you ever wanted. It's easier than you think, and you only need to do two things: be committed and coachable. Hi, my name is Wayne Morgan. I'm one of the owners of the Real Estate Business School, where we teach you how to get your license and how to use it. I'm a real estate broker. I've been licensed for over 30 years. I've listed and sold hundreds of homes and invested in many homes, buildings, and businesses. Although I had experience in sales long before I entered the real estate business, and I tried as hard as I could, I made less than $5,000 my first year. It wasn't because I was lazy, and it wasn't because I didn't try. It was because I didn't know what to do or how to do it. The school I attended didn't teach me that because they didn't know. Most don't. If they did, don't you think they would advertise it and tell you? I thought our real estate schools were the same, that they would teach me what I needed to know to be successful in the business. Now, I was shocked and disappointed to discover after the fact that they were all too happy to take my money but offered no guarantee or help me make money. So after several years of listing and selling hundreds of homes, my wife, also a very successful broker, and I built a school that did. Over the past 30 years, we have churned out success story after success story. Just look at the quotes and videos below. The largest and most successful owners and brokers in the world endorse us. Why? Because we teach the most important part of real estate, how to actually use your license to find, attract, and refer people to you who want to buy, sell, and invest in real estate. Then we teach you how to invest the money you make so you can retire with no financial worries, ever, because you get checks every month. Maybe real estate is a good fit for you, and maybe it's not. Just know that where you go to school and what you learn will make a big difference in how successful you will be. Why not learn from experienced brokers who have been in hundreds of transactions and can teach you how to do the same? So it's up to you. You can do one of four things. You can do nothing and stay right where you are. You can hope something good happens that will make your life better. You can take courses from another Me Too real estate school and struggle to learn how to list and sell real estate. Or you can follow our simple formula and make all your dreams come true. Are you ready to learn how to get your license and how to use it? If so, follow the instructions in this video to go to our Fast Start program. The entire 6-course package, plus our exam prep, plus our 40-hour 10-week Fast Start program that teaches you in 10 weeks what most agents learn in their entire first year. All that for less than $7 an hour. Start generating leads now, get to the closing table faster, and start depositing commission checks. And yes, it's guaranteed. If you follow our formula and don't make at least 10 times what you paid, we'll give you your money back. You're only one click away. Get your license, learn to use it. I'll see you in class.
Included with your purchase today is a free copy of our book. It's called How to Get Rich in Real Estate and Have a Life. After purchase, Wayne will personally autograph your book and present it to you in class. See you there.